Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Windows laptop battery is stuck at 100%, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, just check the batteries report. So we have this command power cfg space / battery report. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here and hit enter. Now you'll get a path here. So simply copy this path. Press the Windows key and the R key together, paste this path in the run window and hit enter. This will open the HTML report for the battery. Now you can scroll down and check the percentages here. Is it 100% each and every time? Basically it shows that it is remaining at 100%. So that's the case, that is the same in my case. Now the reason that it is at 100% in my case is because I have not even disconnected the charger. But you can check the health of the battery this way: the full charge capacity, design capacity, is it reducing with time, is it increasing with time, and all. So this is one thing. The next one is to discharge the capacitors. Switch off your computer, remove the battery, remove the power cable, and then press the power button non-stop for 40 seconds to discharge the capacitors. The next solution is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it scan through the system. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, you can try an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will start scanning your system for corrupt files and eventually replace them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.